You start learning programming. Day 1, I am going to become a developer. Day 3, what is a pointer and why does it hates me? Day 7, you are googling, is coding even for me? Relax, you are not bad at programming. You are just learning it in the worst way possible. Today I'll show you the fun way to learn programming without burnout, without 10-hour tutorials and without crying at 3 am. The problem with how people learn. Most people learn programming like this. Watch a 6-hour tutorial, copy code, feel smart, close the video, forget everything. That's not learning, that's a temporary confidence. Programming is not about remembering syntax, it's about thinking like a problem solver. And nobody learns problem solving by watching someone else solve problems. Here's the truth, programming is just giving instructions to a very dumb machine. Computers don't understand logic, they follow orders very literally. If your code breaks, it's not angry at you. It's just saying, bro, what did you mean? Once you stop treating code like magic and start treating it like a conversation, learning becomes fun. Here's the fun formula that actually works. Learn, break, fix. Write code, break it on purpose, fix it, change values, remove lines, add random stuff. When something breaks, congratulations, you just learned something real. Errors are not failures, they are free teachers. Build tiny stupid projects. Don't build the next Instagram. Build things like a program that insults you, a calculator that lies, a password checker that roasts weak passwords, a game where you always lose. If it makes you laugh, you'll remember it. Fun beats perfection. Beginners panic when code breaks. Pros says, okay, let's see what you are crying about. Programming is not about speed, it's about patience and curiosity. Here's the biggest secret nobody tells you. Consistency beats intelligence. 20 minutes a day, 5 hours once a week. Code a little, break a little, learn a little. That's how skills compound. Programming isn't hard, the boring way of learning it is. Make it playful, make it messy, make mistakes proudly because every great developer you admire, they started exactly where you are. Confused, curious and googling everything. This is the tech guy explained and this is the fun way to learn programming.